Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new lesson. That's chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is 10 Ways to Celebrate Your Pet's Birthday. Here is a girl. Her name is Bella. Okay, her name is Bella, and she has a pet, and she is celebrating his his pet's birthday, and the pet's name is Birdie. Okay, its name is Birdie. She loves her she loves his pet very much. Okay, so as the day is coming near about the birthday of the pet, he is very anxious to celebrate and how she is going to celebrate the birthday of his pet. Okay, so let's read the chapter and understand it well. Okay, I am forgetting something, worried Bella. She looked at the list again. It was her pet dog Birdie's birthday next week, and she wanted to celebrate it in style. After all, it's not every day that one's best friend turns 5. Bella's mom had brought Birdie home when Bella was 6. Buddy has been her best friend since. She wanted to pamper him silly on his big day. Let's take a look at what Bella plans to do on Birdie's birthday. So here's the paragraph that I have told you earlier, that the pet name is Birdie and its birthday is coming closer. So the owner wants to make it special day for the pet. Okay, so here are some preparation made by Bella, the how it's going to made its occasion special for the pet Buddy. Okay, so what she is going to prepare for him? First one is morning walk on the beach. Birdie will love a walk on the beach. It will be great start to his birthday. Second one, Birdie favorites food. Peanut butter biscuits, how Birdie loves them. He will absolutely relish this homemade treat that I will prepare with my dad. New toys. Birdie will get his own chew toy to sink his teeth into. Hopefully, then he will spare my book and shoes. New things to wear. I will buy a fancy new collar and a matching lace to suit Birdie's birthday, Birdie's style. New games to play. Fetch has become boring. He will play some new games. I will think Birdie will enjoy playing hide and seek and frisbee toss. Birdie's favorite activity. Birdie loves nothing more than watching TV. So I will put on his favorite show and let him enjoy. Car ride. New sights and smells to explore. That's what birthdays are for. I am sure Birdie will love to go for a drive with Mom and me. Meeting friends. Birdie and me will go to the nearby park to meet Birdie's friend. Ninth one. After the park visit, Birdie's friend will come over for a birthday party. We will cut his birthday cake. There will be a cake, lots of dog food and games. Family photograph. What's a birthday without a family photograph? With Birdie posing on a picture, it will be a perfect ending to a perfect day. So here are some preparation made by Bella to enjoy or to make this day special for Birdie. First, she is going to have a morning walk with a pet. Okay. Secondly, he will arrange some favorite food. What are the favorite foods of Buddy? Peanut butter. Okay, peanut butter biscuit is the favorite food for Buddy, so we'll arrange that one. New toys, everyone, as you all like new toys, na? So it is also going to like its new toy. What are its new toy? The new chew game. Okay, then dog used to chew the things, everything's for enjoyment, for its fun. So she will bring a new chew toy for its body. New things to wear. On your birthday, you also wear new dresses. So Buddy will get a new collar with a matching lace for its birthday. New game. She will arrange a new game. New game like fetching the ball. It's very old game, and so she will play hide and seek and frisbee toss with his pet. Buddy's favorite activity. Buddy likes to have to watch TV show. So he will on the TV and put his favorite show to enjoy him. Car ride. Buddy loves to car ride. So they will go to the new place and have a long drive in car. Meeting friends. You on our birthday, you all love to meet friend and they wish you all, na? So Buddy will also have its friends to meet him, and after all that, in the evening they will arrange a party for the Buddy, and his friends will be called and have a birthday cake ceremony. Okay, then next one is family photograph. He will be having a family photograph with its pets and its friend and with his family. Whose family is? With Bella's family. Okay, do you like what Bella has planned for Birdie's birthday? How would you like to celebrate your pet's birthday? Here Bella has planned some programs or some idea or suggestion to celebrate its pet's birthday. So I think you will also love to celebrate your birthday or your friend's birthday or your pet's birthday like this. Okay, so read the chapter properly. Okay, thank you.